Hello friends, Namaskar. Today in this video we will discuss about the setting of an electronic pressure switch, how to set relay setting of pressure switch. We are taking the example of electronic pressure switch model 711 switchgear. This range of this transmitter is pressure switch, not transmitter, pressure switch 0 to 20 bar, and working voltage of this pressure switch 100 to 240. Output, this model has 3 output, 2 relay output and 1 analog output, 420 milliamps. Single pole double throw, 2 SPDT means RL1 and RL2. Contact rating of the relay is 5 ampere at the rate of 250 volt. Now we will discuss how to set relay. This pressure switch has 3 keys. In center it has menu, and left and right it has up and down key. So to go into program, we press first menu, then again press menu. In display, unlock will appear. To unlock the program, to go into the program, press simultaneously down and up key together, and we press these 2 keys together for approximate 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, release both key and the display show unit. To change the unit, press up or down key. Then when you set as per your requirement, press menu, and now press up key. Then display. On the display you will see relay. Again press menu. Then display will indicate RL1. Again press menu, you will see RL1 on. Here you can set pressure setting at which RL1 will be on, RL1 will be activated. When you see RL1 on, press menu. When you press menu, a default setting, you can see a default setting maybe 10, 20, 15 point. Then you change it as per your requirement. Then press menu. Then display RL1 off. On the display, RL1 off appear. Press menu. Then you can set at what pressure RL1 should be off. Then you can set, suppose 0.5 bar. At 0.5 bar, when pressure goes down less than 0.5 bar, RL1 will be off, and when press again menu, delay 1 appear on the display. Press again menu, set 2 seconds, or you can change as per your requirement. Then press menu. On the display you will see RL1 done. Hence we can change Similarly, we can set RL2 setting as per your requirement. So friends, this is the SOP to change the setting of the electronic pressure switch. Thank you दोस्तों. If you like this video and you feel it is helpful, then please like it and share to your friends to enhance your skill. Thank you friends.